reduction headphones. They reduce noise level but not noise altogether. This is so the child can hear things if he or she needs to. This helps in emergency situations so the child can still hear their name being called. The purpose for these noise reduction headphones are for children with sensory processing disorders, which means they have a low tolerance for sensory stimuli and they get overstimulated easily. A sensory overload can include extreme irritability, restlessness, and discomfort. The child can put the headphones on by themselves or an adult can put them on for them. A sensory overload is caused by loud noises or a room with a ton of noises. Some areas in a school where this can occur is in the lunchroom, even in the classroom, and a school bus. These headphones can be used whenever and however long they need to, and they are not needed if there's not going to be a lot of noise. A child can put them on by themselves if they feel that they are becoming overstimulated, or an adult can, or a teacher can tell them to put them on when they know that they're going to be transitioning from a classroom to a lunchroom where there's lots of other kids and there's going to be lots of noises. This will keep them from having a sensory overload. To clean these headphones, you can just take a disinfectant wipe and wipe them down after every use. And yes, thank you.